Valley News Live 10 at 10 continues with no wait weather.
Well, some good news for those folks up north is today was dry, so there was some time for those water levels to recede, and the breeze was with us a bit today to maybe hopefully dry some of those things out with that sunshine. But you can see on Dakota Magic Sky Cam, we had still a little bit of breeze out there, but they're not whipping around as hard as they were earlier today, so things have been quiet for the night. Have seen a bit of an increase in that cloud cover in from southwest to northeast, and that's just a little punch of moisture. The main system we are watching is right here in northern Montana, just north of Billings. We have that very thick cloud deck as well as some showers entering extreme western North Dakota at this time, and that's what's going to be pushing into our neck of the woods through the day tomorrow, which will bring the chance of some showers again to those folks in our northern neighborhoods. Temperatures now we're in the 50s and 60s across the board with let's see, a 67 in Devil's Lake as the big winner here, but we're in the middle 50s in areas like Wadena. So we will be a bit more mild tonight than we were last night, so it won't be nearly as cold by about 7 degrees or so. Right now at Hector 65, but that dew point is at 50, so the humidity, relative humidity is at 58%. So it's not all that bad if you're taking a late night walk with just a south breeze at 11 miles per hour. Hour by hour shows those increasing clouds in the overnight hours. By morning around 7:30, in our northern neighborhoods especially, could have to turn the windshield wipers on for that morning commute, but I expect middle 50s for us when we wake up on our Tuesday. And then as we head toward the lunchtime hour, most of those showers will be north of I-94. Could have a few showers or storms there in our northern Minnesota counties, but you see some of that dry areas punching in from the west. So we could even have some clear sky in the afternoon, but with this cloud deck around, kind of a gloomy start to the day, maybe some spits of rainfall here in the Fargo-Moorhead area and points south as well. But then by dinner time, still seeing a few of those showers lingering mainly north of I-94, with again a chance of a few showers maybe here in the Fargo metro. But some expecting plenty of dry time for our Tuesday. Not going to be a washout, but it's just the possibility of more rainfall coming to those northern neighborhoods. Where that bright blue is near Baudette, around a ½ inch to 1 inch. The good news here is I've seen those numbers actually come down in the past 2 hours or so. So only 1 inch in the highest affected locations like near Baudette, but for the rest of us from Fargo south, still expecting about ½ inch or less of rainfall. So not going to be a super soaker, but it still does add a few raindrops to those locations up north that have seen copious amounts of rain for the past couple of days. Hourly forecast for tomorrow in Fargo shows those highs topping out in the low 70s, with the southwest wind continuing between 10 and 20 miles per hour. Could have some gusts to near 30, especially in our southwestern neighborhoods. And then your hometown forecast shows areas like Roseau and Bemidji where those showers and storms do look to hang out a little bit longer in those lower 60s, but then where we could see a bit more sun. Lower 70s not out of the question, even middle 70s in areas like Aberdeen. But again, expecting lower 70s for most of us for our Tuesday. Look at this beautiful shot from Craig. This is of the storms rolling through over the weekend. A beautiful shot from Lake Park. Thanks so much, Craig, for sending this in. You can always share your photos with us at valleynewslive.com. Here's the next couple days. So low 70s tomorrow, low 60s then on Wednesday, and more breezy as well. So notably cooler there for Wednesday. And then we're in the 60s for the rest of the week before 50s move on in for the weekend.
Thanks, Nathan.
Yeah.
Later on Valley News Live at 10.